Have you ever wondered how to make money online? Perhaps you've heard about affiliate marketing and wondered how it works or if it could work for you. Today, we delve into the world of affiliate marketing, demystifying the process and providing a step-by-step guide on how to get started. Affiliate marketing may sound complex, but it's a simple concept at its core. It's a process where you promote products or services for a company and in return, earn a commission from the sales made through your unique affiliate link. It's essentially earning money from selling other people's products. To begin, you need to choose your niche. This is a specific area you're interested in and know a lot about. Your niche could be anything from beauty products to tech gadgets, from books to fitness equipment. The key is to select a niche that you're passionate about, as it will make the process less of a chore and more of an exciting venture. Once you've selected your niche, the next step is to research affiliate programs within that niche. Different programs offer different commission rates, so it's important to choose one that's lucrative and suits your chosen niche. After deciding on the program, it's time to create a platform where you'll promote the affiliate products. This could be a blog, a YouTube channel, a social media account, or even a podcast. The platform should align with your niche and your audience's preferences. Now, you've got your platform ready. It's time to produce quality content. Content is king in affiliate marketing, and you must provide value to your audience. Whether it's product reviews, how-to guides, or informative articles, your content should be engaging and useful to your audience. Incorporating your affiliate links into your content is the next step. It's crucial to do this in a way that doesn't disrupt the flow of your content. The links should be integrated seamlessly, making it easy for your audience to click and make a purchase. Then, it's time to drive traffic to your platform. You can do this through search engine optimization, social media marketing, email marketing, or even paid advertising. The more traffic you drive to your platform, the higher the chances of conversions and therefore higher commissions. Last but not least, you need to monitor your progress. Use analytics tools to track your conversions. See what's working and what's not. This allows you to tweak your strategy and make improvements where necessary. In summary, starting with affiliate marketing involves choosing a niche, researching affiliate programs, creating a platform, producing quality content, incorporating affiliate links, driving traffic, and monitoring your progress. It's a journey that requires diligence, patience, and a good strategy, but with perseverance, it can be a lucrative way to make money online. Remember, success in affiliate marketing doesn't happen overnight. It's a process that requires time and effort. But with the right approach, it can open up a whole new world of opportunities. So, are you ready to start your